Hello children, in today's video I am going to explain trigonometric function of sum and differences of two angles. Now sin A plus B, sum of two angle is A plus B and difference of two angle is A minus B. Here sin A plus B is equals to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. And if minus is there, sin A minus B is equals to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Okay, so sin A plus minus B is equals to sin A cos B plus minus cos A sin B. Cos A plus minus B is equals to cos A cos B minus plus sin A sin B. Now children, here just see, if A plus B is there, then here the sign is minus, and if minus is here, then this sign will be plus. Tan A plus minus B is equals to tan A plus minus tan B whole upon 1 minus plus tan A tan B. If A is equals to B, then A plus A will be two-way. Therefore, sin 2A is equals to 2 sin A cos A. When you put the value of A in place of B, you will get sin A cos A sin A. Then it gives you formula 2 sin A cos A. In terms of tan, sin 2A is equals to 2 tan A whole upon 1 plus tan square A. Cos 2A is equals to cos square A minus sin square A. When you put the value of A in place of B, you will get cos square A minus sin square A. Now, when cos square A is written as 1 minus sin square A, then the formula will be transformed into 1 minus 2 sin square A. And when sin square A be converted into 1 minus cos square A, then it gives you formula 2 cos square A minus 1. And in terms of tan A, cos 2A is equals to 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A. Now, tan 2A is equals to 2 tan A upon 1 minus tan square A. For cot A plus minus B is equals to cot A cot B minus plus 1 whole upon cot A plus minus cot B. Now for sin 3A. Sin 3A is equals to 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. And cos 3A is equals to 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. And tan 3A is equals to 3 tan A minus tan cube A upon 1 minus 3 tan square A. Okay, based on these formulas, in exercise 3.3, question number 5 onwards, 5 to 11 questions are there, and question number 1 to 4 already I have explained in previous videos. Now in question number 5, we need to find the value of sin 75 degree and tan 15 degree. Sin 75 degree can be written as sin 45 plus 30. 45 is considered as A and 30 is considered as B. So this is your sin A plus B. Sin A plus B is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Put the value of sin 45 degree, cos 30 degree, cos 45 degree, sin 30 degree. You will get root 3 plus 1 whole upon 2 root 2. Same way you can find out sin 15 degree also. What you have to do? 45 minus 30. Now here tan 15 degree. Tan 15 degree is 45 minus 30. This is the formula of tan A minus B. Tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. 1 minus 1 by root 3 whole upon 1 plus 1 by root 3. When you take LCM, you will get root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. Do rationalization and you will get 2 upon 4 plus 2 root 3. When you do rationalization, you will get root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. Do rationalization with root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 minus 1, and you will get 4 minus 2 root 3 upon 2. It will be 2 minus root 3. Okay. Now the next question is question number 6. Cos pi by 4 minus x, prove that. The question is for prove that cos pi by 4 minus x into cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x sin pi by 4 minus y is equals to sin x plus y. This is your LHS and this is your RHS. Now just see children, with cos the angle is pi by 4 minus x and here angle is pi by 4 minus y. And with sine also the same angle is here, pi by 4 minus x and pi by 4 minus y. Then it gives you formula cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. In place of A, pi by 4 minus x is there. In place of B, pi by 4 minus y is there. Then it gives you formula cos A cos B minus sin A sin B will be cos A plus B, because here minus, then the formula is cos A plus B. In place of A, what the value of angle is? Pi by 4 minus x, and pi by 4 minus y. In place of B you have to put pi by 4 and pi by 4 is pi by 2 minus x plus y, and cos pi by 2 minus theta is sin theta. That's why it is sin x plus y, which is your RHS. Hence this is proved. Now question number 7 is children, tan pi by 4, prove that tan pi by 4 plus x upon tan pi by 4 minus x is equals to 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x ka whole square. Taking LHS, tan pi by 4 plus x and tan pi by 4 minus y, tan A plus B and tan A minus B. We need to put the formula value. Okay, so it is tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B. And for here minus tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. Since tan pi by 4 is 1, therefore it is written as 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x. And here 1 plus tan into 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x. 1 plus tan x into 1 plus tan x is 1 plus tan x ka whole square. 1 minus tan x into 1 minus tan x is 1 minus tan x ka whole square. Therefore this is your RHS. Okay. Now question number 8. Question number 8 is prove that cos pi plus x into cos of minus x whole upon sin pi minus x into cos pi plus pi by 2 plus x is equals to cot square x. Okay. Now cos pi plus x, it is multiple of pi, then function will be same, therefore cos x is there. But pi plus x lies in second quadrant, third quadrant, therefore cos is negative here. So cos pi plus x is minus cos x. Cos of minus x is equals to plus cos x. Sin pi minus x is sin x with positive sign, because pi minus x lies in second quadrant. Cos pi by 2 plus x, angle is multiple of pi by 2, odd multiple, therefore cos is converted into sin. Pi by 2 plus x lies in second quadrant, therefore cos is negative here. Therefore cos pi by 2 plus x will be minus sin x. Here minus cos square x upon minus sin square x will give you cot square x. Okay. Now question number 10. Question number 10 is children, prove that sin n plus 1 x sin n plus 2x plus cos n plus 1 x cos n plus 2x is equals to cos x. Very simple question children. It is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. That means cos A minus B. Sin A sin B plus cos A cos B is cos A minus B. And A is n plus 1 whole into x and B is n plus 2 whole into x. Put the value and you will get cos of minus x it will give you cos of x, because cos of minus x is equals to plus cos of x. Hence children, you have to do question number 1 to 10 of exercise 3.3, and question number, then after question number 22 to 25 are also based on this topic. Here I am going to explain question number 22. Question number 22 is cot x into cot 2x minus cot 2x into cot 3x minus cot 3x into cot x is equals to 1. Okay, here cot function is included, children. Here that means we need to have the formula cot a plus b, either cot a plus b or cot a minus b. Now what happened, children? Just see here. Since x plus 2x is equals to 3x, because here angle are x, 2x and 3x. So the pattern is x plus 2x is equals to 3x. Taking cot on both sides, because the question is asking in the form of cot. Therefore taking cot on both sides. So cot a plus b is cot a cot b minus 1 upon cot a plus cot b is equals to cot 3x. Do cross multiplication. Cot x cot 2x minus 1 is equals to cot 3x into cot x. Children, it is not cot 3x square, because both the angles are different. Therefore it is cot 3x into cot x plus cot 3x into cot 2x. Okay, this angle is cot 3x into cot 2x. 1 is in minus here, shift it into RHS, and these two angle will be shifted into LHS, and you will get the solution. Okay, now question number 22. Question number 22 is prove that tan 4x is equals to 4 tan x under bracket 1 minus tan square x whole upon 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan x to the power 4. Now here children, 4x be converted into angle x. So gradually we have to convert it. First 2x, then after x. Tan 4x can be written as tan 2 into 2x. That means tan 2a. Put the formula of tan 2a, 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. Again 2x angle is there. Convert this 2x angle into x. Tan 2x can be written as 2 tan x whole upon 1 minus tan square x. And here also tan square 2x. So tan 2x is 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x, and whole square is there. After doing calculation, you will get this value. Okay, now question number 24. Cot 4x we need to prove 1 minus 8 sin square x cos square x. Cos 4x first of all converted into 2x, cos 2 into 2x. Cos 2a is equals to, since 1 is here positive, therefore we need to take that formula where 1 is positive. That formula is 1 minus 2 sin square x. So here cot 2x is converted into 1 minus 2 sin square 2x, because in place of x it is 2x. 1 minus 2 sin 2x ka whole square. Sin 2x can be written as 2 sin x cos x. Then whole square is 4 sin square x cos square x, and it is 1 minus 8 sin square x cos square x. And the last question is cos 6x is equals to this, you have to prove. Now cos 6x be converted into cos 2 into 3x. Cos 2a is equals to 2 cos square a minus 1. Now cos 3x is converted into x. That can be put the formula of cos 3x. It is 2 into 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x ka whole square minus 1. Use identity a minus b ka whole square, and you will get this value. This way children, exercise 3.3 question number 1 to 10 be completed, and then after question number 22 to 25 all have explained here. Based on this concept children, in miscellaneous question number 1 to 7 are there, and try these questions, and if you are facing any doubt then ask that doubt. Thank you.